Welcome to 8th chapter of this course, Guide to Joomla. In this lesson, you will learn about site management, which includes user plugins and media management respectively. Let's start. So first thing is about user management. So if you are building a site that has restricted contents so that registered users can access it, or you are making sites like e-commerce, social network or community, then you will need to know about Joomla user management. Joomla is super powerful and allows you to finally control user permissions. But it can be hard to wrap your head around all the different terms and options at first. So here is a quick primer. A user is an individual login. Each person should have their own user. The login should not be shared among multiple people for security purposes. A user group is, well, a group of users. User groups determine what a user can do. A user can belong to multiple user groups. Joomla comes set up with predefined user groups for convenience. As you can see, user groups are nested within each other and they build upon each other. So, for example, registered has basic permission, author has all those permission plus a few more. Editor has same permission as author plus more and so on. Super user can do everything on your website. Their permission cannot be limited. Finally, access levels determine what user can see based on their user group. Like user groups, Joomla comes with a few access level predefined for convenience. User group can be assigned to more than one view access level before loading any page in the front or backend. Joomla checks whether the user is logged in, what user group they belong to, and whether they have a view access level that enables them to view the page. Now let's create a menu that will be only visible for registered user groups. For example, I am creating a profile menu item type, and its type is selected from the user, then user profile, which displays a user profile. I will set its access level to the registered. This is access level, not the user group, and save and close. When I come to front end of website, it is not visible in the menu. From the login, I will use the username Abdul, password 1234. Now the profile link is visible, which is only seen by the logged in user of registered user group type. So if I go to the groups and edit the registered user, it allows to give the user group and then their parent group. To the access level, for registered access level, it is assigned to the manager, register and super user groups. Here we can set the uh, access level belonging to specific groups. Next we have plugins. A plugin is a kind of Joomla extension. Plugins provide functions which are associated with trigger events. Joomla provides a set of core plugin events, but any extension can be fire custom events. When a particular event occurs, all the plugins function of that the type associated with the event are executed in sequence. This is a powerful way of extending the functionality of Joomla. It also offers extension developers a way to allow the other extension to respond to their actions, making extension extensible. For example, it might add an extra form into a component like the profile plugin. Add shortcuts in for URLs or other code, like a BB code parser, or even give more advanced functionality like provide an extra authentication method, like the ability to log in with third party like Facebook login. So in this plugin, it is used to show fields for register and administrator user forms. If I enable this plugin and come to the profile, we can see it added other optional fields to the profile of that user, and we can edit the profile and add that information easily to our user. Lastly, we have a media manager. Under the content and the media manager is a tool for uploading or deleting files, or even we can have a basic editor, image editor using the media manager. We can upload new files. We can perform action like preview, download, rename, edit, get link to be used anywhere you need, and delete the file. If I go to edit, it will take me to the basic editor provided by the media manager, in which we can crop, resize, and rotate that image. We can get link of this image. We can copy it by clicking on this icon and pressing the Control C, or right click and copy, and we can use it at anywhere in our article, or maybe the custom tab module. So that was all about the site management.